No, this looks different.
Is it?
This isn't how it. Yeah, this is different, dude. This is not how it was before.
Let's start with this.
Yeah, don't. Whatever you do, don't go through that other door when you come in.
Alright, Tom, I'm gonna let you lead. That way we don't fucking close each other's door.
There's 2 items in that room.
No, there ain't.
In this room. Oh, it's Willie Robot. That was fucking creepy. Does this thing just make noise nonstop?
Other side.
We're taking this outside. We're taking this bitch outside, dude. I cannot deal with this.
No, go put it in the ship.
Way across. Yeah, you can't open that door. There's a monster.
Oh, it stops making noise. Oh, there's a fly. Did you see it?
I guess you got out.
You not seen that guy?
Yeah.
Oh god!
Bigger monster.
Oh.
Leaving.
Hey,
We're leaving.
there's
Oh,
a
God.
bigger monster in there.
Yep, no, we're leaving.
Don't have to find the fire escape.
No, we ain't finding a fire escape.
Oh my god, it's outside, right behind you guys.
What? Oh, what the fuck! Oh fuck! Run!
There's one here at the ship too.
This is going swimmingly.
Let me know when you're at the door, I'll open it.
He's right there, Caleb. You can't open it.
Tom, come stand over here.
Caleb, open it. What?
There's a key there. No. Wait. Turn right, that way. Loop to your direct right. That's it. Okay, if you go back, the fire escape is out there. That way you're going, Christian. You're about to, yeah.
God,
That way you're
Jesus.
going
My bad.
across. Turn to the right. Loop in the corner in the back corner.
And a key too.
The fire escape. You got
The
it.
fire escape's on the bottom though. I don't know how good this one is.
Do we want to run it up or
Yeah, we might as well because we're down here.
turn off your flashlight?
Okay. Well, we're going back to the ship anyway, so
Well, then go to the front real quick and grab that horn.
I will.
I have the key, or I can drop you the key and go grab it if you
My
want.
hands are already full all the way regardless.
Ah, damn. Okay.
Yeah. Fuck is this shit?
Keep going straight.
It's good loot if you're coming back.
Coming back because my hands are full already.
Yeah.
There's a key in this fucking thing.
Here's your
There's a
fucking
horn out
payment.
front.
Charge your radios. Charge your radios.
Bro, what's up with these fucking ship placement, dude?
What's wrong with your meal replacements?
Then out to the right and straight.
Meow. How is this game so pretty and so undetailed at the same time?
Alright.
You wanna watch the bridge wobble? Yeah, idiot.
There's a monster in the stairs. The left stairs. Monster down there.
Oh, it's a blob.
It's a blob. Okay.
Yeah, just walk over here.
The other side. Yep.
Should we go down?
No, let's.
Should we go down? Yeah, you're gonna need to right now.
We can just walk past the blob now.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, just walk past on the
Go,
right.
go, go!
Okay. I made it out. Okay. Let's
Go back to the fire escape.
It's PM. We need to go. It's 4. You can stop that now. The alarm is sounded. I hope he trips and that ends up in his rectum somehow.
This is day 2. We could leave with what we have.
Yeah.
I think that's a good
It's
idea,
close.
to be honest. We've got time, we've got days.
It ain't worth us dying.
We're at 249 right now, by the way, so we're already at quota. From what this is telling me. That's counting the keys, though, so...
I mean, fuck the keys. We can just buy a lockpick.
But yeah, this says 249 in total. That toy robot was $87. Holy fuck. The laziest play.
Gives me that every time.
I mean, you just sit here.
You have
So
the
game's
least
probably
amount of
like-
steps, probably.
Yeah, that's probably what it is.
Most paranoid is probably the most monsters seen.
Dude, what the fuck was that one in the stairway swamp?
That one.
That's tall boy.
Yeah, that one stalks you. It literally follows you, and then whenever it gets close, it snaps your neck.
Hey, you guys see?
Did you say ICP when I said it snaps your neck?
Ah, this is familiar territory.
Okay, there's only $400 worth and 9 items.
Oh, that'll be
That's
easy.
fine.
Famous last words.
Yeah, no. Well, you said easy. I just said that's fine.
Well, we said 9 items. That's what I said easy too. But we'll find out real quick.
And we can only carry 2. One small and one big. What's that? God, why does that do that?
Just to spook ya.
Fucking sure works.
Okay, go straight through the doors.
Never mind. Got it.
Then go back. And right. Or not the... Yeah, sorry, the other way.
You're on the right.
Yep.
I'm dropping this here, actually.
Tom's going back. Okay. I want to drop that just in case. Yep. Go left. Then right. Then left. Then I'm gonna... Then turn right and unlock the door. Then right. You get across that. There's just one piece of loot over there.
Hold
On
on.
the right door.
Now that's one piece of then.
I don't know if he's downstairs. Alright, he's got it. Okay. Then you can go to the end of this room and around.
Hey, Tom, you see it on the other side there?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
I can grab that one. And then my hands will be full.
Alright, yeah.
Anything else, Caleb? He's gonna grab that and take the rest out to the back since his hands are full. Go ahead and go up those stairs, yeah. Want to see what's down at the end?
something?
Nah, that's dead.
Oh. You
You probably have
sprinted.
to go through that into the room where he was. Yep, that way. There's stairs there or the big room. Goes to the left.
Oh, but you're on Bella.
Up to you guys.
Is it fire escape
Yeah,
there?
going straight. Nope. Just going straight through all this.
My bad.
I agree.
Turn right. Dead end across, but stairs.
This is a locked door. There's nothing in there anyways. Oh, there's fire escape. Oh.
Nice. Tom?
Oh, there's some, yep. Keep going that way, you're going to them. Yep, turn. Take immediate left. Turn back around. Take a left. Far end of
Oh no. I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Get the fuck out of here. No, fuck that. No, I'm leaving. There's no monsters on the map.
There's a ghost. There's a fucking ghost. I'm leaving. I don't care.
Okay.
Where's the stairs at? Where's the stairs at?
Turn around. Turn directly around. Nope.
This
That
way.
Run that way. And turn right. Yep, keep going.
Oh god, I hear.
Go around the room, remember? Around the room. All the way around.
Blob.
No, not that way.
Yeah, we gotta go around this way.
I don't know how much time I got, so we gotta be quick.
The fucking monsters are cutting you guys off from the only exit. You might have to find the fire escape.
We were at the fire escape.
I had to close the doors to the main exit.
Oh, go to the other side.
Bro, I'm gonna die.
No, you're good. Come on. The exit's right over here, isn't it?
I don't remember where it's at. The fire escape. Where the fuck was it? We
Fire
were
escape's
there.
across this way.
I saw that ghost bitch once.
Blob's
dude.
actually stuck, so that's good.
Yeah, through that door's the exit, but it's two monsters.
Well, where's the main?
Take us back to the main then. That was the main, right behind you.
Oh, where's the fire escape?
I don't know.
Was it up here?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it
think.
was.
Yeah.
Maybe? No, it's a dead end. Where the fuck was the fire escape?
I remember the fire escape being down. Is it down the way that we just came down this way, or is it
I have no idea.
right down here?
Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm about to die. I can tell. I can feel something weird happening. I can't hear shit. My flashlight's dead.
Come over here.
It's like echoey. Weird. There it is. Alright. My flashlight's dead. So.
Just leave it in the corner down there. Back left corner, yep.
I got it.
But no escape.
Is that the light for the fire escape right there?
No.
Oh.
The fire escape's somewhere over here.
I don't even know where I'm going anymore. I'm just running. I don't have a flashlight. Oh, is this it? No. Yes.
My man said no. Grab those two things and let's GTFO.
I only got room for one, so.
Well, GG. Monsters at the ship. I need you guys to get back now. I can't watch the monitor.
He knows we're outside, right?
We're outside, you're good, do your thing. We're headed back.
Hurry, they're coming.
Bro, come on, dude. This is so fucking annoying, dude. He's literally inside the fucking spaceship right now.
Vote now. Tom, stay still, we're voting.
He's leaving. Wait, he's leaving. Don't vote. He's
We'll
leaving.
just-
I might be able to save your bodies and shit.
No,
What the
it's too
fuck?
late.
No. Dude, the fucking ghost is out here. I just saw it.
Take off. If you, oh,
I
shit.
can't.
No, just stay on the ship. Don't worry, he only has to survive for an hour.
There's like 4.
We should leave at 6 p.m. in game.
Look at him. Dude, how? What the fuck, dude? Auto take off or whatever.
You have to get out of the line of the sight of the ghost.
I can't. I literally can't. Do you not see what's going on?
I know,
here, bro?
I know,
There's like
that's
4 of
just-
these things underneath here. Did you guys do the auto take off?
Yeah.
Yeah, leave in an hour, don't worry.
60 seconds.
What the fuck is going on, bro?
Get inside! Still grabs
I
the
couldn't
loot.
do it.
What a guy.
Wasn't fast enough. Jesus Christ, dude. Ridiculous, man.
You did good, bud.
Dude, that was insane, bro. Like,
Nice.
what the fuck?
I threw the stun grenade, it didn't go off. Look at this.
What the fuck?
But we kept everything, so we're good. I still have my walkie.
I found a walkie and a flashlight, so I'm good.
It was in the ground here, so.
Awesome.
Oh, that was mine. Yeah, I made it in the ship. Before
Oh,
I
yeah.
died. Yeah, I know it's my flashlight, because Caleb bought me the cheap one, because he knows I was going to die in 5 seconds.
Dude, that was such bullshit, dude.
How did we lose value? Oh, you're holding some stuff. I was
Yeah.
like, what the fuck?
Jump now?
Oh, just wait until it's greater.
Is that everything, right?
No, I didn't mean to press that.
No, that's everything.
Eat it. Oh, it is? That was fast.
keeps the company
Yeah,
happy.
made our quota.
That was a close one, boy.
I was just fucking. Dude, the ghost was outside and shit, dude. It's ridiculous, man.
Yeah, the ghost was. It wasn't on the map, and it was the only monster in there for a while.
Oh, the ghost was on the map? You could see it?
No, I couldn't see it, and it was the only thing that was in there with you guys.
That's, that's a good thought.
We stayed long anyways. Oh no! 365, dude.